Welcome to Bokecrochet YouTube channel. To start, you are going to need a size D or size 3mm crochet hook and the crochet yarn. To make the traditional chain method, you are going to learn how to make a slip knot. On the end side of the yarn is the tail yarn, and the area where we're going to work towards is our working yarn. The tail yarn is going to be on your dominant hand, and the working yarn is going to be on your non-dominant hand. Grab our yarn, making sure that your tail yarn close to the edge as possible. Then cross your yarn, pick up the loop from the top, lay it flat on top of the working yarn. Once you do that, pick up this yarn, which is the working yarn, pull it down as tight as possible. Once you do that, you've made your slip knot. That's how the slip knot looks like. To determine that you've made the right slip knot, when you pull the working yarn, this loop decreases in size. And if you pull the tail yarn, nothing is going to happen. This loop is not going to decrease in size. That's how you determine that you've made the right slip knot.